Hi everyone, this is Kelly from Omni WordPress Support, and I'm just going to take you through a quick tutorial of Tidler. This is a real easy to use small plugin that just allows you to customize your title. This is our first release, so it just has some basic functionality, and then with the next update we're going to be adding more advanced functionality to it. You can see this title up here it doesn't look like a normal title, right? A normal title for a WordPress would look more like this, right? Tidler, a WordPress plugin. So Tidler allows you to customize your titles, make them stand out, and yeah, just makes your site look give it that edge that makes it look a little bit better than everyone else's. So I'm just going to take you through the code. Use this shortcode. It's really simple. You just put shortcode Tidler in the front, and usually you have attributes attached like user or days or months or something, but we'll take you through that in a second. And then here's your new title, and then you just got to close it with the /Tidler. Okay? Remember, it's square brackets. Shortcode, it's square brackets. Okay? And yeah, so let's move on. So it allows you to personalize it, so you could put the username also in the title. So if you had like a members only kind of site where people, you could have your titles customized. We give you the feature of a fallback, so you could here's some code down here. You have a custom title that says Tidler user equals first, so just their first name, and if you don't know their first name, you can have the word guest. So that's the close of the opening Tidler bracket, and then it says hello at user. This is my new awesome title, and then you close it with your closing bracket. So if you knew that if they were logged in and you knew their name, then it would say hello Bob. This is my new awesome title. Okay, pretty simple stuff. What you have. You saw I click on that guy and it opens up content. That's using the plugin Toggler. Allows you to kind of hide your content and then reopen it. Okay, so the other functionality you can do is time dependent titles. You can set it so at 100 hours after you publish it, the title can change. You can, so you could set it for multiple time. So essentially, it's like a stopwatch, and it keeps track of when you publish the post, and then you can set parameters to change the title at a certain time. It's really easy. I'll let you just read through that. The one you probably use more often is maybe the days of the week, or a month, or a year. So if this year one, I really like this. You got to think. You got to think from an SEO point of view. If you add the year to the end of your title, quite often when someone decides to search for something in Google, say they want to search for top 10 WordPress plugins, and then a lot of times nowadays I always will add the year. I want to know what the top 10 of this year is, not from 2009. So if you add just this one attribute to your custom title, very powerful. You're gonna get those people that are looking, and so you could write a post this year, and then people are still finding it maybe on page 1 for when they search for 2014 and 2015. You understand? If you don't, I'll maybe follow up with an email and explain that concept a little bit more, but that's pretty powerful stuff. Okay. And so you could do days of the week. So if you wanted to say, "Oh, thank God it's Friday," you could add that in. So I'm just going to take you through the code a bit. And if you have any questions, you can always email me at support@omniwordpress.com. Once you get the hang of this, I think you're going to really like this plugin. So I'm just going to put in some code. So it's pretty simple. Tidler, say, let's do days. So days equals 1, now 2, 3, and close my bracket. And then you need to go days underscore text equals, and then go Monday, double line, Tuesday, double line, Wednesday. And we let you customize those. We could have hard coded them, but then you wouldn't be able to change them. Maybe you wanted to have it, you know, all lowercase, or you wanted to change the days of the week to trick people. I don't know. So we left it open so you could customize it. Okay, so I just put the code in there. I'm just going to quickly explain it. So this is just one of the attributes you can have. So, oh, whoops, sorry. I don't want to do this. Let's get rid of this. Sorry. Okay, this isn't going to be my title. My bad. This is just part of the post. Okay, so you can put Tyler anywhere. You got to put it in your content section. But it doesn't need to be the first line. It can be anywhere. And so, sorry, I got a little bit confused there. All right, so I want to say today is, and then the @ sign, day, and then we put in Tyler. Sorry. Okay, so going back and explaining the code. So Tyler, then you say days 1, 2, 3. So our days start Monday's number 1, and then so Sunday's number 7. So you know you don't have to put these in on the off days. If you don't put them in, it's just going to be the regular title, right? Okay, so days underscore text Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. All right, let's hit update. I got one more really important thing to show you, and then this tutorial is pretty much done. So just stick around, and I'll tell you something very important. Come on, my internet's slow. Sorry. Okay, there you go. Today is Tuesday. Yay! Look. Today's Tuesday. I'm not lying. Okay. What I need to show you is this. Okay, so you decide I don't want to use this code, and say you delete this. All right. Bye. It's gone. I want to use my regular title. I don't want to use this plugin. So you hit update, and you go back to view page. If my internet was a little faster, I could take you there faster. Okay, come on. You're killing me. Alright, we hit refresh. Oh, okay, I don't know what happened there, but it decided to take us right to the home page. I might have been a little bit. Okay, so it still says today is Tuesday. Alright, let's do a hard refresh. Hard refresh. And I don't know if I actually did the hard refresh. My internet is no good. Okay, look, today is Tuesday. This is not good. Alright, what Tyler does is we actually use custom fields. And so we're kind of working behind the scenes. It's not as seamless as it, we're changing something here. So I got to show you how to unfix it. If you decide to take Tyler right out, you're going to have to make one small change, okay? So go to screen options. And I just want you to show, we use custom fields. And if you don't understand custom fields, that's fine. Just make sure it's checked. And then I'm going to show you how to fix what we just did, okay? So make sure it's checked. And then you go down to the bottom and there's the custom fields section. So trust me, if you don't know how to use custom fields, not a big deal. I barely know how to use them. Okay, so we just see where it says today is this. You just need to blow that away. If you kept using the code and you just changed the code, it works fine. But if you completely remove Tyler, you need to blow this away. So just this first line, blow it away. All right, come back up and hit update. Okay, simple stuff. And just to prove I'm not lying, and I hit the button twice. Dun, dun, dun. Alright, we're back to normal. Tyler, a WordPress plugin. Alright, so just make note, if you remove the Tyler shortcode, you need to go down and delete custom fields. We're working on making that more seamless, but it's pretty tough. So that might just be the way it is. Thanks for watching the tutorial. If you have any questions, send me an email, support@omniwordpress.com. Take care.